Okay, so Kiran and Becky, I've got your stop frame animation that you've made just playing in the background here. I'm just going to have a little look at what you made and get you some feedback on that. So the first thing to say is, you've set the scene appropriately, given that your previous project has been based on African art. Got a sense of that environment given the background that you've chosen. Just in terms of a technical tip to improve, next time you do a piece like this, you can just see within shot if I just move this back for a moment and just pause. We'll see that there's just some of the white edges of the page and just where the page curves here that are visible. You just bring your framing a little bit closer. What you'll do is cut out any of those edges, and it will just be the scene that you have selected as the backdrop of your image. Another little suggestion for improvement, where you've used animals or images of animals, the different animals, and you've used the kind of sticks to animate those animals to give them motion. What I would suggest that you could do is just remove that stick or those sticks and actually take the photograph, physically move the image, then take another photograph, and then it kind of appears as though the images or the drawings or whatever it is that you're using are kind of moving as if by magic. Whereas with the stick, it does give the impression that they're kind of being puppeteered, as it were. But again, this is just a small suggestion for improvement in what is a really good first effort at making a stop frame animation video. Okay, so like I say, with those little bits of improvement in mind, they would be the things to have a go at it next time you make stop frame animation. But on the whole, a really good first effort at stop frame animation, so very, very well done.